is lovely. Fuck me. Fly Garrick. Still on the flat, like.
No, I wouldn't try it.
That was disgusting.
Well, this is the track that back in like the 90s they used to race.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's that, sorry?
This is the track that back in the 90s they used to race up here.
Oh, did they?
This is the Wentwood downhill
Official
track,
race.
like, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Huh? Yeah.
It's like being on a tour, isn't it, with a proper guide. Have you got stuck already?
Yeah.
This is vintage land egg in front of me. Oh, I see. Oh, a bit of a slide. Oh.
Fucking flowy bee as well.
Oh yeah, fuck it, he loves it. He almost come off then as well. There's a fucking stump in there. bottlenecking. Oh, fuck, got onto it. Whoa, hey! I expect that would be so tasty. Oh, some Wentwood stuff now. Bit of XC. Nope. Whoa. It's a bit tight on that tree. Yeah, looking solid, but loving your flow. Give it a sec for everyone to get away. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's not just slick, there's all sorts of shit on it. Where you are, Sam? You nutter? I see. You've gone high, have you? Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, fuck me. That is so slippery. It just sends you off to the side, like.
See, it wasn't just me.
Definitely was you. You ruined the track for us. It's a tasty little turn, isn't it? Oh, fuck, Sam, both wheels just gliding across then. Jesus, wept. Where are you going? Right, let me come down. Jesus. Right, I reckon this is the wall on one of them.
The wall's over there.
Should go one here, look on the right.
Yeah.
One in front of you, one going left, is it?
Yeah, well this one looks a motor valve rhythm.
Yeah, it does. I hope it's the prettiest to get out as well.
Yeah. Exactly. This way.
How much choice now have I? Fucking hell, Sammy. Nah, not really. Well, kinda. Fucking hell. That's pretty tasty as well. Ah, fucking hell. Alright, let's get on it then. I'm looking forward. Nah. Thanks for the tip.
Right, that was?
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I expected. Watch our mud, boys. It is not nice. Whoa! I can barely see the trail. Let Sam get out the way. Oh, we're not. You alright? There's a bit of a drop in the middle here, boys. You alright?
Yeah. Stay there as well.
Oh, I lost my momentum now. I watched Sam come off.
That was horrible.
And I'm on the ledge, like. Ah. Bike first, but.
Rampage got me and just jumped on it.
Ah. Caveman, is it? Hang on. I'm not going to be riding with that through my spokes, if that's alright. Through the spokes.
I fucking lost my front wheel down there.
Fucking hell, you made that new berm, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, look, that's the turn.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
It's fucking horrible, isn't it?
That's bad news.
Oh, we can start from up there.
Yeah, you're gonna have to, but you haven't got much of a choice. Massive end though.
Yeah, there's a new berm there that I just dug in.
It's for the boys. Whoa! Go in, Bob. Oh, I'll keep that. Oh. At the very end, you want to stay right. There's a massive drop on the left. Yeah, stay right. See. Fuck, aye. Go on, Nathan, I'll follow you back. Because we buy any car, but. Oh, nice drift. You had no control then. It's a land egg leg. Oh, was that in my bike? Oh, I think I got a stick. No, I'm out. I'm good. Where are we going? Left, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Oh, fuck me. Where am I going? Don't take that line, but I was trying to avoid that slippery route. Turns out. Whoa. That is the best. It's the best one I've seen today. Oh. Let me just get on the flat and get back on. Where should we at? I just got no grip left. My tyres. The tyres have just. Look at them. I got nothing.
Oh, those boys.
Where are they? Oh, I don't know. Let's just nurse these. Oh, fuck me. I can't turn. Ah, I need some brakes for that. Oh, I can't even stop. I can't stop it. It's not too bad. I just need to be able to get some grip on these tyres. My face. Oh my god. My bike was pretty clean before I did this one. Checking how wet the wash is. Oh my God. It still is, but it still is. I can't even stand.
Oh, mate. Yeah, just walk with the push.